Hey guys, I'm Rosy Hernandez. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching her how to do her makeup. This is like the end result.
If you want to see what stuff happened, you know.
Nothing happened.
Well, you know.
You're being so dramatic.
Whatever.
No, if you guys want to learn how to put on more makeup.
Hold on. By the way, I'm her daughter, if you guys didn't know, and if you're new to her channel, I'm her daughter. Because you said her, so they were like, who is she?
Oh yeah. She's my teen daughter.
And if you want to see her teach me how to do makeup, then keep on watching and see how I magically was able to do all of this on my own.
So we're gonna move on to the face. What I highly recommend is to use a primer. I have one from Lancome and I have one from MAC, and I like both. Doesn't have to be like all over your face, just like on these areas. It really doesn't.
But it's literally like, oh.
I know. I actually put it everywhere because I like my face looking.
It doesn't have to be
flawless.
Just put it on your nose, your head, your chin, your everywhere.
Your head, your forehead.
Your forehead, tu cabeza de la frente, right?
Frente. Wow, she's pulling some Spanish on you guys.
La frente. Uno, dos.
Okay.
I know how to count to 100. I'm so proud. I've been.
You mean in Spanish?
Yeah, in Spanish.
I know how to count to 100.
I know how to count to 100 in Spanish.
That's it? You don't know after 100?
I know how to 1,000.
So, how do you say 102 in Spanish?
Well, there you go. 102. Right?
Yeah, good job.
Oh.
So you know how to count past 100?
I know how to count past 100 in Spanish. Millón, un millón, billón.
I'm gonna use this darker one because I've been in Mexico and I got some tan going. It's a little darker.
Ooh, I got my Born This Way by Too Faced.
So what you do is you put it on your hand.
Girl, I know.
Because it warms it up.
Don't you have to rub it to
and
warm
then,
it up?
Yeah. Well, so I just put the dots on. It's all over my face. So the key is, I use a brush. You want to use that? Why are you putting spray on it?
Because you need to keep it damp.
But this is expensive spray.
But people use
water.
this too.
You don't want to use a brush? No. Okay. I use the brush. I don't know about a beauty blender. So you just go in and blend it in.
I'm glad that I'll always have someone to be around when I get carried.
Do you put on makeup every day? I don't even remember.
No, this is way too much makeup to use every day. Some people use it though.
Don't you wear that to work?
Heck no. I wear like mascara to work, maybe fill in my eyebrows a little bit. Definitely blush and some lip gloss or lipstick.
Yeah, she's like a blush girl. I don't understand.
I love blush.
I don't like blush because I'm naturally red. Like literally, if I get nervous, I'll turn into tomato, and then that's all the blush I need.
Whoa, that's way too much. You don't need that much.
Okay.
Like that amount you could use on your entire face.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, I just don't want you to like look like a cake. The key is to like blend in and not put too much. So I don't put on concealer under my eyes, and my friends think that it's crazy because they all do. I literally just use whatever I have left from the foundation and I bring it upwards. Because I feel like I don't really need it. I feel like if you need it, like once I get to that point where I need it, then I'll use it. But like you don't need it. No, I don't.
No, we don't.
Did you put some on your forehead too?
Yeah.
See, like I feel like you have a lot right now. Here, use this brush so you can like soak it in, like just rub it into your skin. Like this. Like.
I'm not gonna swirl it in.
Why not?
Because that's what makes you have streaks.
Trust me. Just go like that. Does it look like I have streaks?
No, but it's like it's already blended.
You get streaks. The reason why you get streaks is because you put way too much foundation. Like, don't put that much foundation. Put some on.
She puts it on like every day and like.
No, I don't.
See, she gets so defensive.
Because I don't put it on every day. Like, what are you talking about?
Yes, you do.
I'm just gonna. Don't make me smack you. After that, you want to apply the blush.
Can I look at myself?
You can look at yourself. But before you apply the blush, I'm gonna tell you guys about this product right here. This is my new favorite product, and you're gonna see why. It is called A La Mode Highlighter.
I knew it.
Benevolent. It is so freaking good. So it's like a cream to powder luminizer. And look at that, it's like a stick. So nice. Watch, you'll see, you'll see, you'll see. It's from Unique. I'll put the link down below. So what you do is, you know, you've seen the YouTubers. Just put it right there. And then I just put some like down the middle of my nose, right in the center of my forehead, and then up where my lip is.
Cupid's bow.
Huh?
Cupid's bow.
Cupid's bow. And then down here. So put some on. And then I blend in. So just blend it
nice.
with your fingers.
Wowzers. It actually blends in like good.
Okay. So the next part is the blush.
Yay!
We're gonna use Orgasm because I feel like Orgasm goes good with everyone. And tap off the excess, and then I just lightly put some on both cheeks.
What's it called?
Orgasm blush from Nars. I love blush.
See, I'm like already red. Like, you see what I'm saying?
I don't usually do contouring because
She already has a sculpted face.
yeah, that's why.
She does.
No, I just feel like, I don't know, unless I'm going to like a wedding or someone else is gonna do it for me that's super professional, or like if I'm feeling super confident and I want to do that, then I'll do it. But I feel like for the most part it's too much makeup, and like
She's not really good at doing that.
no, I just don't really, I'm honestly not a big fan of too much contouring. Like
What about bronzing?
bronzer's good, it just depends on when. Like right now I wouldn't wear it
Because you're already tan.
well, I also feel like the powder that I use is darker, a little bit darker, so it's almost like a bronzer. And that's the next step. After you put on your highlighter and your blush, then you have to set it all in. Oh, the finale. This actually can work for both of us.
This isn't even the finale.
I know. We still have some more. Isn't it crazy? This is a lot of makeup. Okay, so you can use that one. I'm using this one. This is my favorite blending brush. So you just go in there.
You know I got everything that
I don't really go over my blush, just go around it. And you see how like it sets it all in and makes it look more natural. I don't know, to me it looks better than just leaving the foundation on. You can use regular powder, you can use setting powder, like luminescent one. Okay, this is the finale. Okay, it's not really the finale.
No, because is it eyebrows?
Yeah.
Then after your lip gloss and then we're done.
Yeah.
No,
so
and then it's setting spray and then we're done.
eyebrows are next.
This is actually a really good mirror. So I already do my mascara and my eyebrows.
So I don't have to teach her how to do that. I mean, if you
They come
guys
out
don't know
pretty
how to do it,
Just follow your
the shape of your eyebrow.
Yeah, like me, like I have thick eyebrows. Like they used to be super thick, like super thick. But if you saw our first video,
Yeah.
our first video where I got my eyebrows waxed, like they were really thick. I think they were thicker, right, than this. I don't know. I think my eyebrows are still thick, but I'm
Which
saying
is good. It's a
yes,
good thing.
Good, keep them thick. But the only thing is like about my eyebrows is it has like
It's missing some hairs inside.
yeah, so I have to just fill that in.
And I usually just go underneath, like she said, following the shape of my brow.
you got that love I can't deny. I can't deny your love, baby, no.
And sometimes I'll like accidentally put too much, like fill it in a little bit too much. Then thank goodness you have the little brow brush thing so you can blend it out. Sometimes it just doesn't come out good though. Like it just won't be your friend. Sometimes it will.
And blend it in with the spoolie. Do you see how easy that was? No like super crazy beautiful eyebrows, but they're nice and filled in and it goes with the look.
Yeah, she has super thin eyebrows,
Yeah.
but they're pretty thick.
Whoa, it's a little dark. You should blend it in more. And the trick is to like brush it upward. You don't want it to go down because it makes your eyes saggy. You want it to go up to like open up your eyes.
Like your eyes.
That you've been out there running wild.
A trick I do. I put water, but I'm not really buy any water, so I use my saliva. I'm sorry if that is gross. Probably is like really gross. But you just go like this on top. And you go like that, and look, it takes off all the thing right here. Remember how like you said it was too
Yeah,
much?
it's too dark.
Yeah, it like takes off all.
Let me see what you did.
You go right there, like on top.
Mm-hmm.
You go like,
Oh wow.
and then look how like it makes it.
Makes it stand out. The final step is the setting spray. So I just spray it on me. Woo. And that is to set your makeup for the rest of the day. And it makes it glowy again because, you know, we put on the powder to set everything, but this like makes it come alive again. But you really don't need this. This is just like a super extra, like if you're really going out, you can do without it. This is like the most makeup I've let her wear, and I just wanted her to learn from me because I don't want her to put like
look like a
way
clown.
more than this. Yeah, and like put way more than this too. Unless you're going to a wedding. You look so cute. Look at that highlight though.
Where have you been hiding?
Alright guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Comment down below. How did she do? I think she did really well. Look at her.
I know, surprising. Like, I guess I do really bad on other people, but like on myself I do decent, I guess, you know?
But you learned. Did you learn?
Yes, I learned.
Thank you. I've been trying to teach her. So I'm glad that you learned how to put on more makeup from your mama.
You did it! What the heck? Oh no, you didn't do it.
Yes, I did.
No, like this. Go like that. You see this? And then put this. Look there.
Oh yeah.
Go like this. Keep it like that.
Okay. Okay. You did it. See?
I do it. Am I doing it right?
I
Like,
don't
do
know.
it?
Nothing can stop us from feeling.
I hope you guys enjoyed doing your makeup and learning with us.
It was a struggle. In the beginning, I really wanted to just give up, but I guess I'm happy with the result.
See what happens when you don't give up. You gotta just keep going, guys. You can't just be like, oh! I guess we'll see you guys next time.
We'll see you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Besitos.
You keep on passing me by. Call me crazy 'cause I think of you.
Hello!
Oh my gosh, you almost did the Miranda Sings voice.